Hi everyone. I just wanted to take you on a quick tutorial on how you would access our lecture recordings that we do each day that you attend class. So moving forward, I'll be making a recording of all of the class sessions that you'll be in. All right. So in order to access those recordings, you would click on your Collaborate link, the same link that you would go into um, to log on to our virtual classroom each day. Instead of clicking on the link here, you see these three bars here on the left-hand side of the page. You would click on those, and then you would click on recordings, and there you'd be able to select the recording. So for example, this is the HFS 110 class, the exercise science class that I have, and you'd be able to listen and view the the lecture that took place on 8/19, and that's the date that it was conducted, and then this is the stop time, and this shows you the entire duration, how long the recording took place. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to email me, and I'll be more than happy to answer that question. All right, take care. Bye bye.